here's the thing, and this is what I think the failure of the left has left failure. The failure of the right when it comes to climate change is pretty obvious. But nobody talks about the failure of the left when it comes to climate change. And that gets back to talking about the economic ramifications. You know, that Swiss Re study I told you about happened 20 years ago. The left 20 years ago should have been arguing to do something about climate change because it's already affecting your insurance, because it's already affecting your health, because they had to spray for mosquitoes in New York this winter, because the water war has been, I saw CIA reports in 1999 predicting water wars in the Mideast because of climate change. There were war games back in 99, 98 in Pennsylvania, where the attendees came from many countries and ranked climate change as one of the premier expected causes for war in this century. You never heard that stuff. You never heard that stuff. All you heard from the left was climate change is a moral issue, a moral issue, a moral issue. It was a tremendous failure from the left.